Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Celine and I'm an esthetician here at Art of Skincare. And today I wanted to jump into something that's really exciting for me. Many of you have seen that we just launched Botnia at Art of Skincare. It's an amazing brand that was founded in the Bay Area and we're just really excited to be able to carry it here at Art of Skincare. I've personally been using it for about 3 or 4 months and I've just been obsessed. So let's dive into the kits today. There are 3 kits that are a really great way to try out Botnia if you've never tried it before and you just want to get your feet wet, but you don't want to commit to big full sizes of products. So the first thing I want to mention about these kits is that they all come in these amazing bags. These are hand-sewn bags. They're hand-sewn in the Bay Area and they're made from recycled racing sails. So each of the kits come in these awesome bags. The first one that I want to talk about is the travel kit. So this is the most cost-friendly kit and it has your daily face wash. It has the toner, a face cream, and then they each come with this. This is the Soothing Repair Mask Mini. This is such an amazing little soothing product and I'll talk about it in a second. So what I like about this kit is it's really great for normal to oily skin. If you have very dry skin, this cleanser might be a little bit active for you, but you can still use the rest of the products in this set. So the daily face wash specifically is really best for normal combo oily skin types. Then we have the toner. This is great for all skin types. If you're very dry, just use it a few times less a week. Or if you're normal to oily skin, you can use it every day. And then we have the face cream. This face cream is so nice because if you do have oily skin, you just use less of it. Use a thinner layer. If you have more dry skin, you use a thicker layer. And last but not least is my favorite little mask. This is the Soothing Repair Mask. It's a gel mask and it's packed with arnica, chamomile, and other very soothing, calming, and hydrating ingredients. It's just a lovely little product to have. You can use it as a sleep mask or use it as a wash-off mask and just wash it off after 15 minutes. The next kit I want to show you is the Daily Face Kit. This is great for normal to oily skin types because it has that daily face wash in it again. So we have daily face wash, toner, then we have a quite large bottle of the hydrating serum. This is Botnia's best-selling product. We have the face cream again, and then this is really nice. It comes with a body cream, and this is just such a great body cream for all skin types. And then once again, you get the Soothing Repair Mask in there as well. The Daily Face Kit is really best for normal to oily skin types, but you can also use this if you're dry. Again, I would just maybe not use the daily face wash. But if you're dry, I have a different kit for you. Last but not least, we have the Daily Face Kit Hydrate Kit. So this is for my dry sensitive skin types. This is going to have the most gentle, or one of the more gentle face washes from Botnia, Renewing Face Wash. This is super gentle, but it still has a nice foam, so it feels like it's really cleaning your skin without stripping it. And for this kit, they swapped out the toner for the rose water toner. This is really wonderful for sensitive skin types. It has no essential oils, just rose hydrosol and some other soothing ingredients, and it is so lovely. We also have the hydrating serum, that #1 selling Botnia product. And then in this kit, we have the heavier of the moisturizers. So this is the restorative face cream. It's a little bit thicker and it has soy peptides, which are amazing for smoothing lines and plumping the skin. Then this kit also comes with this body cream. This is such a wonderful cream. Whether you have normal skin, oily skin, or dry skin, you'll really like this body cream. And last but not least, the Soothing Repair Mask is in the Hydrate Kit as well. So one of my favorite things about all of these kits is that a lot of these are refillable. So you can actually buy the refill size of this face wash when you're done with it and just refill this one if you want to save a couple of bucks. Same goes for the toners as well. Both toner and rosewater toner, you can get refills. This is a nice little glass bottle. You can just refill it. It's a really helpful way to minimize waste. So there you have it. Those are all the Botnia kits. Personally, the first kit that I had to get was the travel kit. That one is perfect for my skin type since I am more combo oily skin, and I love those products so much I do have the full sizes at home now. So I highly recommend picking up the kit that's right for your skin type. It's just a really great way to try out Botnia without buying a ton of full-size products.